everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. Today we're doing one of our favorites. This is one of my wife's favorites, which is saying something. You all know about her and her taste buds. But we're doing baked scalloped potatoes. It says you can cook this thing in 8 minutes. That's if you like to microwave stuff. I generally don't, because it always tastes better when it's in the oven. So I'll give you a quick rundown. Put the oven at 350, put it on a tray, and cook it for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm probably gonna cook it for 25 minutes just because I like things a little bit more crisp. So, rip that off if I can. Remove the packaging, see what it looks like. We just got this at Costco about an hour ago, so it hasn't been frozen. But put it in a tray, and 350. Set the timer. I'm going to put the timer at 25 because I already know I want it a little bit longer. And we'll let her rip. All right, going to check on our scallop potatoes. Let's see, so, yeah, about burnt my thumb there. Okay, let me check this out. So this is what they look like after having them in there for 25 minutes at, what, 350? They look to me like they're good and cooked all the way through. Let's see, now I already know I love these. We've had them several times. This is again one of my wife's favorites. But I'm gonna have her come and do a taste test too. She generally cooks them a little longer. But again, these weren't frozen. This came right from Costco, so maybe you don't need to cook them longer. But if they are frozen, she says to cook them a little bit longer and at 375. So there you go. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, that is such a good side dish. Baked scallop potatoes. Delicious. Want to try them, sweetie? Well, see what you think. Okay, Brekkie. It's my little Brekkie. Okay, give that a taste. Is it?
Yeah.
Bite it. It's not, you're okay. Okay, sweetheart, come here. This is my beautiful wife here. Oh, you want to take it? Okay. She dressed up for the evening for us.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Oh, she's going in there. Tell me what you think. I mean, by looking at it, it looks good, huh? Yeah, we love them. We have them all the time, actually.
What do you think, Brad? No.
You don't like the taste? Oh, really?
When we make these, she never eats them.
Interesting.
Really like the meat.
So these are going for what, $6.99. So just so you know, and obviously you can get them at Costco. I think anytime. They carry these all the time. Well, thanks. Hey, you want to give us? You want to tell them thanks for watching Chef Dawg and hope that they'll subscribe and share it with everybody they know on the planet Earth.
I will say thanks for watching.
And then subscribe and share this with everybody.
You say that.
And share it with everybody you know on planet Earth.
And thanks for watching Chef Dawg.
Send this out to everyone you know, share, paste, copy, take the link. Anyway, hey, love y'all. Thanks for watching Chef Dawg.